tornado come through last night in some areas. We're all without, a lot of us are out of power. I saw a 100-foot cottonwood tree fall on top of a house over while I was at my girlfriend's by Walled Lake. So about an hour later, it kind of looks like the ground is starting to really dry out. Even though there's a lot of humidity in the air right now. The deck is tilted. There's 3 settings, kind of a horizontal level setting, which I usually mow at. As I try to cut about 4 to 5 inches high. Right now, though, I'm on the 2nd setting. Otherwise, I think I'll just be scalping into the dirt. I don't want to pick up any rocks. Leave it laying out flat. That will protect it from getting beat up by the weather a little bit. Let this ground dry out, and hopefully I'll bail it on Wednesday. Okay, end of the day. I'm in Paul's backyard. Hey, babe. And this is probably a, I don't know, 60, 70 foot tall white pine tree. Our state tree snapped right there. And nobody's got power. She does, she's got a generator. Look at that. Look at that cottonwood tree. I saw that fall right on top of that lady's house. 85-year-old lady lives there alone. Her kids came and got her, went right through the roof. Trashed the chimney. It was an incredible storm last night. Root ball that spruce tree. But yeah, it was something to see this storm. They got 4 to 6 inches of rain over here, probably within an hour. All right, enough of the tornado stuff. It's been one for the record books for weather.